Hi, I'm Art Ogniv. I work for Logitech, based here in the EPFL in Lausanne in Switzerland. At Logitech, we're constantly trying to innovate and find ways for people to be a little bit better as they're working with the digital world. And we've got so many people here with good ideas and innovating in many, many different ways that sometimes it's hard to see what to go first with and where the biggest ideas are. So we worked with Mark Gruber and his team to try to find where to focus. And we used this Market Opportunity Navigator to use the different step-by-step approach that actually made what is a super high-stakes process seem simple and methodological. And at the end of a one-day session, we really had a narrow area to focus on, which we're now moving forward with. So it was very valuable to us, and I recommend it.
Hi, my name is Barbara Vasconcelos. I work here at Logitech, and I did the training with Mark Gruber on the Market Opportunity Navigator, and it was very, very interesting for us because we know that in a fast-moving world there are tons of opportunity out there, and we need to constantly innovate in order to keep update and keep relevant. So the framework really helped us to go from very broad to very narrow and have laser focus on where it's needed to go. So I really recommend the training and the tool. It's very helpful.
Hello, my name is Steve Harvey. I'm Director of Innovation at Logitech. Today I've been involved in a workshop by Mark Gruber on where to play. For me, a number of things have been super interesting in what I get out of this workshop. First of all, inviting external people outside of your own industry and company is super beneficial. If we took one thing away, it would be this. It really energizes us to think differently, think much broader, challenge us, get us out of our box. So this was a huge opportunity and a great asset of the program. A second piece is just how simple and how structured the process is to follow through. The worksheets are very clearly laid out. It's simple to follow. And very quickly, within one morning that we spent here, we've already structured new opportunities for us and assessed how easy or difficult or challenging they will be in a very robust way. Now, of course, the work will start where we'll go back and dig a little bit deeper and put some more facts behind this. And then just overall, as an energy to bring so many different departments together to look at this in an innovative way is essential. We don't jump straight in and fall in love with some ideas or conceptual areas straight away. We really break this down and look at the opportunity cross-functionally within Logitech. So we're looking forward to seeing where this goes, and it certainly gives us a lot of food for thought and a lot of opportunity areas to explore further.